Hi, I'm going to walk you through getting GrocerySync Android up and running. GrocerySync is our simplest demo app that we have for Couchbase Lite Android. So I'm on the GitHub page. It says github.com/couchbaselabs/GrocerySync Android. I'm going to go ahead and copy that URL and switch to a terminal here. And I'm going to go ahead and clone it. Oops, so let me delete my old directory. So starting fresh here, so doing a clone. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and import that Android Studio. I'm running Android Studio, that's the latest beta, it's 08.14. So import, browse to the GrocerySync Android directory I just checked out and double click the build.gradle file. Whoops, I'll ignore that for now. Okay, so let's open the main activity. So before I build it, I just want to point out that we're gonna be syncing against the default URL, which is our Couchbase demo cluster that we've got set up, and there's a GrocerySync database there. So when we run the app, we'll be pulling some documents down from there. And you can also you can replace this with your own sync gateway URL. Which hopefully I'll cover in a later video. And I'm going to be deploying to the Genymotion emulator, and so I don't have GrocerySync installed. So we're going to be installing it from scratch here. So I'm going to go ahead and just hit debug. You could also hit run, and that's going to deploy it to the emulator. Okay. Okay, so now it's running, and in the background it's doing a pull replication. I'm switching to a tool called HTTP Scoop, which shows the HTTP traffic. So these requests are all the requests from the device or from the emulator to the sync gateway for getting all the documents. So now if I switch back to the GrocerySync app, I will see the documents that it pulled. And I'll go ahead and clear this HTTP scoop, and when I add a new document, so I'll put screencast hello. I'm going to add a new document, and you can see that it actually, this bulk docs request is where it pushed the main request where it pushed the document up to the sync gateway. And just to make 100% sure that it did make it up, I'm going to go ahead and kill the app and delete it locally. So I'll go ahead and delete GrocerySync. So we've just wiped the local database, and now I'm going to go ahead and rerun it. So it should do another pull replication from scratch. And we should, if everything works, we should see that new record that we just added, the screencast hello record, once this finishes pulling. So there it is. So it all worked. Okay, thanks a lot for watching.